In Russia, a helicopter crashed after circling at very low altitude. The video was posted to LiveLeak and YouTube, and you can see the plane slowly circling before crashing into the water. Stunned bystanders watched it all happen. The video's description says the pilot and the copter's tourist passenger weren't hurt, likely because it came down from such a low altitude already. Not much else is known about the incident, and the pilot hasn't been identified. Thanks for watching MSN News. I'm Christina Hartman.